What is going on, Papa Fam? Welcome to another video. So today I'm excited to introduce you to my mum. My mum is actually staying with me in Dubai right now, and we're gonna surprise her by taking her to a desert safari where I booked a little treat for her. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Jay's gonna come along with us. It should be one hell of a vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do and you want to see more like this, smash the thumbs up button to let us know so we can keep on bringing out this content. Enjoy the vlog. Peace.
Hello.
Mum's in town. Say hello to the Papa Fam.
Hi, Papa Fam.
How long are you here for?
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yes.
And what have we done so far?
We celebrated my birthday in style.
Nice.
We went out for a spa day, if you want to call it, a pool day.
Yeah. Zabil Sarai.
Lots of shopping, and obviously went and had pedicures and manicures yesterday. And today, desert safari.
Exactly.
Exciting stuff.
Exciting stuff. So, plan for today. We are heading to the desert. They can pick you up. Then we're going to go ahead and we've got some quad bikes. We got a little surprise because it was my mum's birthday a few days ago. She has no idea. They got a little bit of a treat surprise and lined up for her. So it should be a hell of a lot of fun. Jay's going to come along. Love every single one of you. Peace. Right, let's go.
Take one of yours.
On our way to the desert. Jay, you done this before?
Several times. I've lost count.
Really? I thought it was only once.
10 times.
There you go.
10 plus times.
My
Sunny's
first time. First time experience. It's always comforting when the engine light is flashing.
Not even on, it's flashing.
With the proper Dubai stuck in the desert part 2. So I'm pretty sure the car is about to break down any second now. Did you like
I look after you.
So the inevitable has happened. Me and Jay have the worst luck in the desert. Oh, we survived.
We are making our first points.
Oh, we survived. Yeah, one hell of a car drive.
What is it?
My dad used to say Ford Explorers are the one, yeah? They're absolutely not. They're absolutely not. You tired? On the head? Or was it around? Was it around my head? I feel like French one down there.
Oh.
Shake that Papa react.
Yep. Shake papaya.
I'm currently stopped out by a shop to go ahead and get some water. And what's your experience so far, Mum?
The car's got COVID. It's coughing.
That car has absolutely had it.
Barely made it. That's why we'll have the car change.
I think me and Jay actually have the worst luck when it comes to any kind of desert activity, isn't it?
I swear.
At least we're not alone this time.
Mum's here to witness it.
Hello, you can share the experience. So we made it to the first destination, quad bikes. These are sick. Are you going to be riding a quad bike?
Yeah. I'm looking forward to it.
Who do you reckon is going to be faster, Papa react or Mama react? Alright, let's see how it
Come
is.
back.
Yeah.
You can do it.
What do you think?
That is good.
See, man.
Liam would be very proud right now. It's Papa react to Shake react. You know, it actually keeps you pretty cool, you know. Hola! We are officially done at the first place. And you've done gym bashing before, innit, Jeff?
Yeah.
And would you trust this guy's car?
Never.
So, we better get a new car.
Yeah, very good. This one's like chicky chicky bang bang.
Yeah, this is not going to do it. We are here.
Voila.
So right now we are at the gym bashing. Pretty much just bash around, up and down, and I think gym bashing time. How are you, brother? So, brother, what are we doing today? What are we doing? Fast? It's gonna be fast, yeah? Alright, let's go. Pretty good suspension, right? Perfect. Thank you very much. How was that?
Oh my god, that was
Was
so
good?
good.
How'd you find that, Jay?
Amazing.
It was good, huh? You're a pretty good driver.
Pretty good car.
A pretty good car. Way better than the last.
No,
We
like,
could do camels.
we can-
Mom's like,
she's like, what?
absolutely not. Look at that. So currently at a barbecue. How's your day been so far?
Do you know what? It's been really good, but I'm so hot.
So tonight they're doing like shows, all that kind of stuff. We've got a barbecue over there, some drinks, got some shisha, and it's way cooler.
Much cooler.
So would you recommend Desert Safari so far?
I definitely would.
I would, but make sure that the car's alright. But to be fair, he saved it. He did alright. But
Let's
it's
just
not his
hope we have a
fault.
decent car going home.
It'll take half an hour. Is it open at 7:30?
Overall, it's been a pretty nice day though. What do you think?
Lovely.
I
Lovely.
mean, we got past the whole hurdle in the beginning, but after that, it's actually been quite nice. I definitely recommend Desert Safari. I don't think we come the wrong way, Jay. Oh, this is good, man. I am hungry. Hello, brother. How are you? Oh yeah. Get some, man.
Wait, hold on.
And this?
Chicken shawarma.
Oh, nice. Chicken shawarma.
Pretty. I got a shitty one, and then Sunny gets a goddamn thick.
I get the horizontal. Jay gets the vertical.
Shitty. Yeah. Just some bosa.
His mum as well.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Food is pretty good.
And I made Miss Kamaljit Sangha.
Oh my
They said a
god!
very happy birthday, many, many returns
Oh,
of
you
birthday.
didn't! Oh my god!
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday,
Thank you
mom.
very much.
And God bless you. It was a surprise from your side.
I know. It's scary. Shocked the hell out of me.
So how did you feel?
my God.
How was the story? Did you like the story?
I knew something was fishy.
We almost got it.
She's like a random cake in the middle.
She's like, why is there a random cake in the car?
And it was our driver.
No, because Sunny started laughing in between. I'm like, sorry, shut
I
up.
didn't know. I didn't know until we almost squashed it.
I knew it was only when he kept moving this box and I took it inside with him and I thought, oh,
I'm
okay.
surprised it didn't melt,
And
to be
now,
Yeah.
now when you put it up there, it's like, why put a cake up there? Now I believe your story.
Oh my god.
You enjoy that?
Surprised me, it was brilliant.
Yeah?
They shook me up.
It was good, yeah?
It was a very good surprise.
There you go. There you go. Where are we? Atlanta Tourism. There you go. So, final conclusion. How was your day?
Do you know, it's been an absolutely amazing day.
Did you enjoy your little birthday surprise?
Oh my god, that took me completely by surprise.
Yeah?
I had no idea it was coming. I thought it was a bit weird. He was putting a cake on stage and then Jay telling me a story about it's a tradition and it's a ceremony. I bloody fell for it.
Because Mum was like, why is there a cake on the stage? So we were saying like all these kind of cover-up stories. And Mum was like, oh, okay, it kind of makes sense.
It was very, very surprising. And the warmth and love I got from everyone in the audience.
Yeah, they were really
And
lovely.
the audience, the way They were shouting happy birthday. Felt amazing. I was very blessed.
So Mum, what should everyone do on this channel?
Like the video, share your comments.
Just take 3. All right, Mum, what should they do to this video right now?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, you heard it here
Okay,
first.
guys.
Until then, guys, I will see you in the next video. This is Papa React and
Mama.
that's it, just Mama.
Or Madre.
Madre, that's it.
Madre.
We can make it catch on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Madre.
Peace, guys.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.